Why doesn't pyron_string evaluate bool literals? I need to evaluate a Python expression from C++. This code seems to work. Unfortunately, it fails horribly if expression is true or false, that is, val is 0 and pyr_occurred, returns true. What am I doing wrong? Shouldn't they evaluate to py_true and py_false respectively?
If you want true and false, they will have to be in the asterisk global sticked passed to the interpreter. You might be able to fix that by calling pyeval_get built-ins from the Python 2.6 source code. If that doesn't work, you could try to pyron_string import _built-in as _built-ins globals locals before calling pyron_string true ... You might notice the Python interactive interpreter always runs code in the _main module, which we haven't bothered to create here. I don't know whether you need to have a _main module, except that there are a lot of scripts that contain if _name _equals _main _.